Friday, first Friday of the month, I think. Yes, the first Friday of the month in February. If you buy something that doesn't fit, we will alter it for free because, you know, that's how we do. Yeah, I'm really excited. It should definitely fit Lucy now. See you guys next time. Hello! This is restock day, but we weren't expecting it to be snowing.
Flippin' snowstorm.
Yeah, it started snowing last night, 9, and it's 11:20ish right now, and it hasn't stopped snowing.
It's been storming like crazy. Pretty wild outside. It's gonna be quite a fun drive, 3 some hours back to Portland. Better now than in slush and ice on Sunday.
Yeah.
Because I have to work on Monday.
In the dark.
Yeah, no, not ideal.
So, just want to check in with you guys. Yeah, enjoy the restock. Bye.
Bye.
Which one do you like, bud? I don't know. So I didn't really take a good video of snow apocalypse here in Portland, but yeah, it's now Thursday and it snowed on Friday. So it's kind of crazy that it's still here. Most of it is gone, but like 24 hours ago, this walking area was still filled with slush. super random. This is where all the protesting happened in Portland last year. It's pretty crazy. So Mo and I are at the post office right now, and I didn't realize that the post office opens at 10 and not 9. So I'm just hanging out. Now because we match.
Yes, they do.
We match.
Show some
So
love.
my wall clothing racks are from IKEA. They were pretty cheap.